All right, we're back with some more fun here. We got some Astral Radiance, Scarlet Violet base set, and some Silver Tempest. Yeah, let's see what we can get. I think we will start with the Scarlet and Violet base set. We're looking for a Gardevoir in here, or just some SIRs, or, you know, let's touch our luck today. We striked out on the Costco Prismatic bundle, but test our luck with the blisters now. This guy is not opening up as... Maybe if they're sealed a lot better, that means they have some crazy pulls in here. All right, we are looking for some SIRs. Palmow! Ooh, I gotta seal that for Lydia. Toad School. Slowpoke. Ding. Negative. Go Scarlet Violet again. What is that? Sitoro. Varoon. Ooh, I like this art on this Magikarp actually. Let's keep that. Magnemite. Penny. Houndour. Zangoose. And Koraidon. No hits from SV. Let's go Astral Radiance. There looks like there's a good Machamp in there. Some Palkia, Dialgas, Beedrill. Ah, I like the VMAX. I am a big fan of the VMAX. I'm not sure about the rainbow ones. I do like some cool zoomed in giant photos. Let's test our luck with Typhlosion. Should the pack be matching the blister? That one didn't. Wait a minute. Why did the cards come out this way? That's weird. We roll with it, I guess. Is that how it is for these older ones? Cypher! Ooh, Togepi. I'll say that for lids. Combi. Regirock. Wait, Hollow's in the middle? How old are these packs? Energy. That is a weird order. I guess Sword and Shield does it differently from SV. I'm pretty used to SV. Those have only been the ones I've been opening. Mega Evolution too, but I think they were the same as well. All right. Dialga and a Palkia pack. Let's see if we can pull the full art. I do love some full art. All right, yeah. So when you open it, you see it right away. I guess they switched it because you want the hype. Because if we see it, we might be able to see the chase card. Got two Quillfishes. They're different though. Two Quillfishes in the same pack. Oshawott. Featherball. Dang, only one holo in these? That's tough. So many commons too, I think. Sword and Shield. Sword and Shield might not be it, boys. Togepi. Cutie. Oh, I really revealed it. Togekiss. Oh, we got another one. Bastiodon. Togetic. Maybe we have a holo in here, but I didn't notice. Guess not. D1. So that one came with 2 holos. I guess that is a luxury. That was... Who's this guy? Voltorb. He looks concerned. Concerned for me. Wow, I don't like that. Oh, man. Ooh, it's a cute Eevee. Glaceon. Not a fan of this set. I feel like it reveals the chase. So far, pulls. This Togekiss is nice. I guess these are reverse holos. Pokeball. Silver Tempest. We got 3 types here. We're chasing the Lugia. Which one is it? The Lugia Full Art. It's trending right now. I guess we're gonna start with this guy. I don't know who this is. Name that Pokemon. Oh, we got a Lugia pack. I kind of want to open this last now. Call me superstitious. Oh, we got another Lugia pack. It's gonna be crazy if we hit 3 Lugias. Oh. Alright. Sorry, Vulpix. Snow Vulpix. Alright. I guess that's why they did the... Is it 4? No, it was more than 4. Oh, man. Ooh, it's cute. Martin. Indeed. Baltoy. Curlia. Okay. If we get this Lugia, I'm gonna sleep like a baby. What the heck? What is that? It should be 5? Or is it 4? Am I cooked? V-Star? What is this? Did we get the another ones? Guys, am I cooked? I don't think we did. So is that a good sign? Are we getting a V-Star right now, guys? What do you think? Fungus. There might be a nice card in here. Oh, what a tease. What is the point of this? Why? Why? What do I do with this? Let's see. I don't know. That was pointless. Got happy. All right, let's try it again. You get this one? Am I gonna spoil it? Energy. Dragon there. Jinx. Routes. That's a cute routes. Fanfi. Litten. And Sunflora. Ooh, and a Rapidash. Nice. All right. We opened a lot of packs today, but nothing good today. We'll catch you guys in the next one. V-Star out.